Adiel Gorel has helped thousands secure their retirement riches. Even the great Warren Buffett wrote him needing to know more. The answers are all here for you. Welcome to the Remote Control Retirement Riches Show.
How can inflation make your money last a lifetime? One of the biggest fears is that people say people are living so long now, and science and technology might make us live to be 100 and more. How is my money going to last? Well, when you own rental property, it makes your money last a lifetime. When you own rental property in the United States, where there is constant inflation, while you can finance the property with a 30-year fixed rate loan, it means year after year your loan gets smaller in real dollars. Your money will last not only your entire lifetime, but into your kids' lifetimes and beyond. Thanks for joining me today. Click the subscribe button for more video on real estate. Got a question or comment? I love questions and comments. Leave yours below. And here's another video you've got to see.